If you are starting a YouTube channel, but you don't know what kind of video content to create or you don't have a camera and other recording equipment, this video is for you. I am going to show you how to start creating YouTube videos with just 3 simple steps. Step 1.
Enter pxels.com. Here we are. Go ahead and search for meditation. As you can see, there is a lot of pictures here that you could use for free. Let's download this. Here, it says free to use. So let's go ahead to download it. Click on free download to download the picture. Let's download some free video as well. Click on videos to see the list of video. As you can see, there are lots of free videos that you could use as well. Let's download this. Click on the video. Here, it says free to use, as well. Click on free download to download the video. Let's go back and download few more videos. Let's download this. Here, it says free to use. Click on free download to download the video. Search for relaxation. Let's download few more video here. Let's download this. Click on free download to download the video. There is a lot of videos here as well. You can download as many as you want, depending on the length of the video you want to create. Download this one. Click on Free Download to download the video.
If you are finding this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more awesome videos like this. Step 2.
Go to YouTube. Click on your profile picture, here. Click on YouTube Studio, here. Click on Audio Library, here. You can see a lot of audios here for free. Click here to filter and search for the exact kind of audios you need. Search for relaxation. As you can see, there are lots of relaxation audios. Let's add mood to the filter. Tick the calm. Then, click on Apply. After adding mood to the filter, you can see there's still a lot of audios under relaxation. Click here to listen to the audio. Let's download this one. Download this one. And this one. You can add duration to your filter here, but I don't need it, so let's just skip it. Let's add attribution not required to the filter. To see if the audio we downloaded require attribution. As you can see, the audios does not require any attribution. So we are good to go to the next step, which is the editing step.
Step 3.
Click here. Click on New Project. Let's use this one, and this one, then click here. Click here to add the audio. Click Music. Let's use this one. Click here. Let's play the video and see how it looks. Click here to export the video to your phone.